Now, what is enamines? Introduction. So, enamines obtained by a process. Enamines obtained by a process in which the nitrogen atom of secondary amine, the nitrogen atom of secondary amine is combined with carbon. Combined with carbon to form the enamines. So, for example, the CH3 C double bond O, this is the acid. This is the acetyl. Now this bond is transformed oxygen atom. Oxygen becomes negative charge, this carbon becomes positive. Now this is the secondary amine. It is called the dimethyl amine. Now this nitrogen atom gives one electron to this positively charged carbon, and the bond is formed between this carbon and nitrogen. So we get this CH3 C, this OH, this H, and this is the bond between carbon and nitrogen, this N, this H, this CH taken. Right. Now this nitrogen has positive charge because it goes one electron to the carbon atom. So this is the formation of intermediate compound. Now it eliminates water molecule. It eliminates the water molecule. That is, this bond is transformed to oxygen atom, and this eliminates the hydrogen atom. This bond is transferring between this carbon and nitrogen from the double bond. So we get the iminium salt. Now this CH3, this C, this H, double bond, this N, double bond N, and this CH3 taken twice. Now we can write this CH6 like this. CH2, this H, this is the CH3. This CH3, this CH, now this is double bond, N, CH6. So we can write this CH3 like this, CH2H. This single bond, this CH, this C, double bond, this N, CH3 taken twice. So this is the iminium salt. Now, minus H plus. Now this is the minus H plus. Now this bond is transferred on nitrogen atom, and this bond is transferred in between these two carbon atoms. So we get this CH2 double bond, this CH, this N, CH3, second this is the formation of enamine. So in this case, this carbon compound and secondary amines combine to form the enamine, in which the intermediate compound iminium salt is formed. This is the iminium salt. Now the synthesis of enamines. Synthesis of enamines. first cyclohexanol condense with cyclohexanol condense with cyclohexanol condense with pyridine to form cyclohexanol pyridine enamine. So in this synthesis, cyclohexanol condense with pyridine to form the cyclohexanol pyridine. Now this cyclohexanol this is the cyclohexanol plus now pyridine and this is the pyridine. Cyclohexanol pyridine. Now in this reaction here hydrogen atom now this bond will transform in between these two carbon atoms. This bond will transform oxygen atom. This H, this O and this H here minus H2. Then this bond is transformed this oxygen atom and it becomes OH, and this OH minus and this H plus combined will remove the water molecule. So we will get this N. Now this is the formation of cyclohexanol pyridine enamine. So this is the first equation, cyclohexanol pyridine enamine. Now second synthesis, cyclohexanol condense with marcoli. Cyclohexanol condense with marcoli to form cyclohexanol marcoli enamine. Now what is the differentiation? So here in place of pyridine there only marcoli used. Marcoli and the structure this is the marcoli. So we get again this H minus H2. We get the cyclohexanol pyridine. cyclohexanone enamine. So this is the second synthesis of enamine for cyclohexanone enamine. So these are the synthesis of enamine. Now the reactions of enamines we will take in the next lecture. Now the acylation of and alkylation of enamines. The first reaction, acylation of enamines, it is cyclohexanone marcoline enamine react with acetyl chloride, it gives 2-acetyl cyclohexanone marcoline enamine chloride. This is the formation of addition compound which on hydrolysis it gives it gives 2-acetyl cyclohexanone and marcoline hydrochloride. Now, this cyclohexanone marcoline enamine reacts with acetyl chloride. CH3 C double bond O Cl. It gives when this cyclohexanone marcoline enamine reacts with acetyl chloride, then this electron pair is transferring between this nitrogen and carbon to form the double bond, and this bond is transferred on this carbon atom, and this carbon becomes negatively charged carbon. This negatively charged carbon combined with this positively charged carbon atom, and to form 2-acetyl cyclohexanone marcoline enamine is the addition compound. Now there is a formation of a double bond. Now here is C double bond O CH3. Here Cl minus. This nitrogen carries positive charge. So this is the formation of addition compound. And this is the cyclohexanone marcoline enamine. Now this addition compound on hydrolysis with water, the addition of water takes place. here O and here H. So from cyclohexane to acetyl cyclohexanone. This is the formula of 2-acetyl cyclohexanone plus this marcolin hydrochloride HCl. This is the formula of marcolin hydrochloride. And this is the 2-acetyl cyclohexanone. So when the addition compound hydrolysis with water, the addition of water takes place, oxygen atoms to this, and form the 2-acetyl hydrochloride. Two hydrogen, one H and one HCl to form the marcolin hydrochloride. So this is the acylation of enamine. Now the second reaction is the alkylation of cyclohexanone. Alkylation of cyclohexanone pyrrolene. Alkylation of cyclohexanone pyrrolene. Cyclohexanone pyrrolene enamine. On treatment with ethyl bromoacetate. To form addition compound. Means addition compound on hydrolysis it gives 2 carboxymethyl, 2 carboethoxymethyl cyclohexanone and pyrrolidine hydrochloride and pyrrolidine hydrochloride. Now this cyclohexanone pyrrolidine enamine react with ethyl bromoacetate. To form the addition compound. to form the addition compound. Now this pair of electrons transferred between the nitrogen and carbon to form the double bond between this double bond is transferred to carbon, this carbon becomes negative charge, and this negatively charged carbon is linked with this CH2. So we will get the addition compound. Now their double bond is takes place. In between two rings, the CH2, C double bond O, O6H 5. Now here this Br minus. So this is the formation of addition compound. Now this one hydrolysis with water plus H2. The addition of water takes place here O and here H2. So to form this two carbo ethoxymethyl cyclohexanone, 2 carbo ethoxymethyl cyclohexanone plus this pyridine hydrobromide. Pyridine hydrobromide, and this is the salt formation. So this is the alkylism of enamine reaction. Enamine due to two reactions, one is alkylism and second is the alkylism of enamine. So today I have completed the topic organic synthesis by enolates and enamines. So there are the two methods of preparation of enamines and two reactions, that is alkylism and alkylism of enamines.